Yo, what's going on, fellow English? Thanks for tuning back in to Fishing with Pete. My name's Pete, and I love to fish. We're down to the last 2 weeks of the quarantine here in California for the shelter-in-place program, and it's been raining. And this is the first week that it stopped raining, so I got a chance to work on my boat this week, and I'm gonna go ahead and just give it a coat of paint and also fill up the cracks from the seals with the Flex Seal and get it out in the water as soon as we're able to go out and get it tested. Hopefully it doesn't leak, which I don't think it is, but here's just a quick look at what I'm gonna do right here. So I already did this with the Flex Seal and I was looking at it. I'm just gonna give it a quick coat just to even it out. But that's what we're gonna work on this weekend, man. 88 degrees, some good weather. All right, guys, I have some time during the week to clean out the boat, dust it out. I'm gonna use this just to get any debris and out of the cracks. That way I could spray the Flex Seal on it and get it ready to go as soon as this shelter in place expires and we're able to go out safely and follow procedures and protocols, guidelines with the social distancing and wearing your face mask. I hope everybody stays safe, and let's get to it. Alright guys, if you've seen my previous videos, I showed this Flex Seal, which is what I use on the outside portion of the boat, and just gonna spray the inside of where I removed the rivets and probably some of the major seams, just to, in the end, goal to have my boat not leak water anymore, which I don't think it did. It's just that I forgot to put in the plug as soon as I launch, but we'll find out soon enough. So you guys could get an idea of how it works. If you've used a spray can before, primer, or if you've primer some kind of project, it's similar to spraying primer. Just kind of going along the seams here. Sorry about that. Yeah, looks like I covered the front, and the can does kind of go long ways. I'm just gonna spray the seams just to be on the safe side. Alright guys, so I'm all finished spraying down the boat, and with that one can I started up here Started up here, did all these seams all the way to the back of the boat, and I was able to just go over a couple times, you know, just to reinforce, make sure they got in there and it's doing its job. So on the instructions it says to let it dry for a day, 24 hours for the best results, 48 hours. So I'm gonna let this out here a couple days. It's been kind of sunny, you know, been in the 90s, 80s, so it's gonna be some good weather. And once it dries up, I'm gonna go ahead and spray the boat. I like this light blue color just because, I mean, when you're out there on the lake, you know, it gets pretty hot, as from what I've noticed, and I think I'm gonna stick with the light blue, man, you know. So more to come on that. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you guys on the next one, man. Stay safe out there.